My child, you don't need to carry that weight by yourself. Picture a time when all of your pain, fear, and anxiety just go away. That's why a good massage is so helpful. It's not just about taking it easy, it's about getting better mentally, physically, and emotionally. I'm here to share the blessing you've been hoping for. I hear every quiet concern you've shared with me. We understand what you truly need. As soon as your heart reached out, I knew I had to respond. There are some strong forces out there that are against the good things I have in store for you. There's a hidden conflict going on. Your strong belief and open connection with me really matter, and here's why. Don't let sadness take root in your heart. Step away from anyone who brings down your confidence. Look for people who lift you up, boost your confidence, and genuinely care about your happiness. I'm always here, leading you back to me. I really hope you get through this tough time successfully, my dear child. I see the weight you're dealing with, the stress that's on your mind. This struggle really hits home and affects the well-being of your loved ones. Still, this season, I'm going to share a lot of truths with you. I really want you to lean on me completely and truly understand this. I'm the one who provides everything you need. Stay strong and hold on tight to the strength I provide. Don't let fear take over or let anxiety pull you back. You allowed me to mold you in the flames. People noticed smoke. I spotted some gold. You just kept going as the road got narrower. You stuck it out even when the answers took their time. You figured out my voice in the shadows. Guess what? You were picked. Don't overlook your history. The struggles that almost brought you down created space for me to help you grow. The long silence helped you notice the quiet whispers. The rejection that surprises you can change your path. The detours kept you away from places that just didn't measure up. I've always been there for every mystery and have shown up in every moment. I didn't waste anything. I tried it all. I still use it. This is a really important task. Your impact is subtle yet significant. You keep the room steady. You really have a way of warming people's hearts. People are drawn to you when you're genuinely there, not when you're trying to be flawless. Your yes opens doors. Being obedient can lead to opportunities you might not even realize are there. You made plans using words, kindness, courage, and a bit of prayer. Eternity will take note of what the world tends to miss. You, my dear, are the lamp that carries my flame into darkness, with hearts connected in love. We're going to spread peace and healing wherever it's needed. My dear child, I've chosen you to carry my love. Pass it along to 3 hearts that are hurting, and my peace will settle on them like a soft rain. If you lose your balance, the ones opposing you will come closer. Noticing your struggle, they'll attempt to deliver a final blow that could really shake you to your core. They want to see you fail. They see the grace I've given you, and they're always looking for ways to steer you off the path I've laid out for you. Don't give in to despair, my dear. No one can really bring you down. I'll share your solution, a significant turning point, just as soon as I figured it out. I'm really grateful for your ongoing patience. When you hold my hand, amazing and profound successes are within your reach. Let go of all your worries and just trust the process. If you really believe in something, you can make it happen. I'm right here with you, and I'll make everything clear soon so there's no doubt about my role as your steady provider. I see your requests coming in, and I totally get what you need. There's really nothing to worry about. You can relax knowing I'm here to keep you safe. Every positive word said about your life will definitely come true. Nothing can hold you back or stand in your way. So, let go of any discouragement and choose to embrace the abundance and grace I've prepared for you. I get it, even if you don't need me to prove how much I care anymore. I totally understand. We've been through a lot together, and I can really see how your trust in me is growing stronger each day. Let's move forward now. Take a moment to dive into my insights and you'll sense a connection with your inner self. Just close your eyes for a moment. Take a moment to calm your thoughts. Hey, let me share my love for you again. My devotion is genuine. I show this truth every day by expressing my care through the beauty of the world and extraordinary moments. I give you each breath, support your life, and enrich your days so you can get to know me better. I'm going to give you some extra time because I have a specific purpose in mind for you that you're meant to accomplish. Don't let doubt pull you into that dark place of worry, my dear. I want you to know that my promises to you are genuine and solid. I've shown this time and again, especially when things felt really hopeless. I stepped in and helped you out of a tough situation that seemed overwhelming, preventing you from falling apart. It's great to find peace in that assurance, but always keep that humble heart of yours. Pride can really bring you down. I've given you so much grace, and it's not meant for you to pull back. I just want to say again, I really care about you. I can sense how you really feel about me. Let's show it, declare it, and record it. I notice you when you're quietly looking for me. Whenever you share your requests, I can hear even the gentlest whisper of your voice reaching me. I get how you feel. Do you really hear me? You've been curious. Sure thing, my child. I'm all ears. Do you think I'll get what I ask for? You've called out. I'm getting back to you right now. I can see your tears and the real pain behind them. It's a deep sadness that doesn't just go away. You know that I understand your unspoken feelings, and I'm here to offer you comfort. It seems like you've been through a lot of sadness. You've shed some tears. Your freedom is just around the corner. I made it happen myself. It's definitely certain and solid. Your moments of sadness always have a purpose. I'm here for you right now, and I'll always be ready to listen. You're always in my deep love. I'm putting together a table of blessings for you. Even while your opponents are watching, I'll lift you up for everyone to see. Listen to what I have to say, my child. Build a strong sense of confidence. Come along with me. Keep pushing forward with a steady and calm determination. Don't let your mind get bogged down with worries about tomorrow. Let me say it again. Please keep listening to what I have to say and take care of all my concerns. I'm here for a good reason. I'm your sacred origin and your guide. The time I share with you each day isn't meant to be weighed down by worries. I've got your whole journey covered. Your present moments and all the tomorrows ahead are in good hands with me. When I say that good fortune is coming your way, just know it's a sure thing. Good things are on the way for you and will show up soon. Just open your heart and have a little faith, and you'll be able to take in all the good things I'm sending your way. I'd love for you to start each day by thinking about what I've said. Fill your mind with uplifting thoughts and say goodbye to worry and inner turmoil for good. Your faith is genuine. My power is limitless. I've got your requests in mind, and they're definitely going to lead you to what you're looking for. Starting your day by only thinking about what's wrong doesn't really help you out. You'll get through your current challenges. I'm definitely here to answer you, no doubt about it. Take a moment to explore your inner self too. Let that clarity shine from within you. Get in touch with me, and I'll help you discover your inner light with my glow. Try not to let any bitter feelings or resentment settle in your heart. I really hope you don't hold on to any negative feelings. Don't spend too much time thinking about them. Don't let them show any expression. Don't say them again. Just tune out the empty chatter that others try to throw your way. Your value isn't determined by others' opinions. A lot of people out there are dealing with heavy hearts. You're different from them, and that's never going to change. Just make sure you don't let their problems seep into your life or your home. People often try to burden you with worries that aren't yours and that you really don't need to carry. Stay focused, my dear. Stay strong in your hopes, your efforts, your dreams, and your trust in me. This is the way you ought to be. I'm standing strong and bold, pushing ahead with confidence, grounded in my deep faith, and not afraid at all. because my focus is always on you. I get it. Sometimes it feels like all you see are challenges, but just know I'm right here, keeping you safe and sound. Pay attention to what I'm saying. Just pay attention to what I say and let those negative whispers fade away. You'll embrace my truth and come to terms with this reality too. Today, you're going to feel my abundant grace, overflowing with strength, love, and peace. I really value you. I'll help lift your spirits and bring you some joy. Let's connect every day, my dear child. Each morning when you wake up, take a moment to embrace the uplifting words I'm excited to share with you. I see you waking up, and I can sense your spirit wanting some care. I'm here with you again. Don't worry, I'm always here, just the same as ever. I just want you to know that my love for you keeps getting stronger, and I really want to bring you comfort and a fresh start. You totally deserve all the good things life has to offer. If you can trust me, I'd really appreciate it if you could take this favor I'm offering you. Once you embrace it, you'll find it opens up a bunch of benefits. You'll finally have what you need to help your family and share with those who are in need. They'll enjoy plenty of food, good health, energy, and tranquility. You've got to put your faith into action and take that step forward to grab those good things right away. Don't wait any longer. Keep your eyes on me. Please don't hide from me in the shadows. I'm reaching out because I really appreciate your perspective, and I want to help ease any burdens or troubles you and your loved ones might be facing. I really don't want to make you feel any less, my child. If I ask for anything, it's really just to give you something much bigger in return. My dear, you're at an important point right now, a time of big change. You've gone through some really deep changes. You've changed from who you used to be. You're all set. You'll make your decision with confidence. Avoid looking for advice from people who always see the glass as half empty. Don't try to please everyone, because not everyone has your best interests in mind. When you talk about the path you want to take, some people might try to shake your confidence, wishing to see you hesitate or feel discouraged. But this won't be your journey, my child, because I'm right here with you. You'll move forward without any doubts. Whenever new opportunities come up, you'll confidently take that step forward. I'll be there with you too. The shadows of past challenges that used to hold you back are going to fade away. I'm going to share a lot of great things with you. Please take good care of them and use them wisely so they can grow and fulfill an even bigger purpose. Hey there, a brighter season is on its way for your home. Help your kids as they learn and grow. Encourage them to imagine amazing possibilities. They can definitely help me out in their own unique ways with their clever thinking and special talents. They're going to make a positive difference for lots of families and communities right where you live. The future's guides and leaders are on the rise. There'll be ways for me to share my truth. They'll be put to use in some really impactful ways. But this can only happen if you hold me in high regard in your home and your kids see your commitment. Your family is starting to experience a deep spiritual awakening. You're living in a really unique time, my dear child, a time that a lot of people talk about. They're on a quest to find out what's coming next, but deep down, they don't really get me. I'll only show my deep care to those who truly believe in me with honest and open hearts, who aren't afraid to give their whole selves to share my message and live for this truth and the love of others. I'm sharing this powerful truth with you right now. Pay attention to where you catch it and keep this moment close to your heart. Come on, my dear. Look out into the distance. There's definitely a spiritual shift going on. It looks like the tough times you've been going through are almost over. Great things you've been wishing for are on their way to you. Your reward is just around the corner. I'll always make sure that no one important to me feels alone. Whenever you reach out to me with genuine trust, I'll be there for you. I've promised you. You've really stuck to your beliefs. You really held your ground, even when you were feeling a bit shaky and thought about giving up. but you manage to steer clear of the traps set by your opponents. Every day, we keep going strong with determination and a positive attitude. You've traveled quite a distance. You've kept your pace, and I've been right there with you. You're really on the brink of finding that abundant favor, where you and your family can finally experience the peace you've been searching for, the support you need, and a fresh sense of well-being. A new perspective to consider. It's all about having fresh hopes, positive desires, and a strong determination to keep pushing forward until you achieve your goals. I'm here to help you and your household finally let go of those old habits and harmful patterns for good. I hope that all the weight on your spirit gets lifted, that any harmful thoughts fade away, and that any lingering bitterness or dislike disappears. When you dive into the refreshing vibe of my holy presence, you'll notice some pretty deep changes in your lives. Your friends and family are going to notice the change in you and be really surprised. They'll come up to you and say, "What have you done? What's going on? What's got you feeling so happy right now? So, what's been behind all the changes in you?" I want to remind you that your challenges and worries won't stick around forever. You're not going to deal with the same challenges forever. You've opened your heart to me, my dear child, and you've embraced my message and guidance within your spirit. You've really put your heart into believing that I'm your loving Creator who truly cares about you. That's why I'm here to bring you and your whole family some relief. I'm really happy to see how much trust you have and that you're working on being patient while waiting for my perfect timing. It means a lot that you believe in me completely. You don't need any outside proof from me, and you know that just my word can help bring you back to a place of inner peace. That's why it makes me really happy that you trust me when I say, I truly want to bless you. Today's the day you get to break free, the moment you've been waiting for. Just let me know that you're ready to rise up and take the steps needed to embrace my heart, and that you won't ever turn away from my love and who I am. I just want you to know how much I love you. People who hurt you, broke your trust, and walked away when you really needed them. I witnessed everything. I was aware of every moment. Your distress really resonates with me. I just want you to know that I'm still working, even when things get tough. What was meant to hurt, I'm turning into something that will benefit you in the end. Their leaving opened up room for better relationships that I'm bringing into your life. People who were dishonest showed their real selves, which helped you break free from constraints that held you back. In the upcoming days, you might feel a bit lighter, almost like you're gliding through life with a sense of detachment. This isn't just a retreat, my dear. It's more like a journey into a deeper understanding. Just let this feeling be as it island. You know, my dear, you really are a bright spot in this sometimes dark world. Your kindness makes my love shine out to others, just like the morning sunbeams. Let's continue sharing truth and grace with each other. Hit that super thanks button and soak in all the good vibes I'm sending your way.